What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows on a computer. Alright, so this computer, I turned it on and it gives an error message, media failed, and it doesn't go into Windows. So what's happening here is the hard drive inside the computer doesn't have an operating system. I installed I installed the hard drive into this computer and took out the old one, which was bad. So this is how to install an operating system on a computer using a USB or a Windows 10 CD. So first you're going to want to put the CD in or the USB. I'm going to use the USB. Power the computer on. This is a Lenovo, so you push F12. Just keep pushing it. It'll make a beep sound. And then this is the boot menu. So you're going to want to select CD if you're using a CD. Select USB if you're using a USB. Click enter. It's going to take a minute to load up. This whole process takes about 30 minutes. Alright, so once you get to this screen, you just click next. Click install now. Alright, so I'm in the Windows CD. Alright, it gives me a couple options because my CD has Home, Pro, Enterprise. I'm just going to click the Pro. Click next. I accept terms. I accept the license terms. And then click next. Alright, custom install Windows only, advanced. Alright, and now once you get to this screen, there might be a couple of these. So what you want to do is just delete them until they're all in one spot. And then you just click next. And then this process will take most of the time. So it'll probably be done in about 15-20 minutes. And once this finishes, you could take the USB out. It will restart. And then you can take the USB out, and then it should just start up into Windows like a brand new copy of Windows 10 will be installed on your computer. I'll fast forward this process and then show you the end result. So it is almost finished installing Windows. It's just installing updates, and then once it has a check mark there, it should restart the computer on its own. Everything at this point is pretty much by itself. It just does it. So once you get into that program, it pretty much does itself after that. So now it's going to restart. And it has restarted. Now it should be loading into Windows. And that's how you install a fresh copy of Windows on your computer. Let me just show you that it is finished. So it's getting device ready. Thanks guys. If you like this video, please leave a comment, subscribe, and smash that notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.